Hi, I'm Mate, your trusted digital safety advisor. Let's protect your data before trouble finds you. First tip, please stop using simple passwords like 123456, your name, or your mobile number. These are very easy to guess. Use a long password with letters, numbers, and special symbols. The stronger the password, the safer your account. Second, turn on two-step verification wherever possible. Even if someone finds out your password, they still cannot log in without the OTP that comes to your phone. Third, don't ignore software updates. When your phone or laptop says update available, don't postpone it again and again. Updates fix security problems that hackers use to enter your device. Next, if a message says you won a prize or asks you to click a link urgently, stop and think. If it looks too good to be true, it is probably a scam. Don't click unknown links. Always keep a backup of your important photos, documents, and office files. If your phone gets damaged or your computer crashes, your data will still be safe. If you are a business owner, protect your office computers and servers from ransomware attacks. Regular backups can save your entire company from huge losses. Stay alert, stay secure. I'm Mate, and your data deserves protection.